Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on CUBOT KingKong 6. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and now you have to go to Settings. Then click on Google Assistant, and here click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here to enable Hey Google, and then click on More, and I agree, More, and I agree. Now click Next, and now click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now click Next, and then you have to click back and click on lock screen and click Yes I'm in, and then make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Okay Google, and as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.